Welcome back to TechMirror, the 5 best 9-volt rechargeable batteries in 2026, perfect for powering your essential devices with long-lasting performance and dependable efficiency. Whether you need reliable power for home electronics, professional gear, or everyday use, this list will guide you to the top options available. Stay tuned, explore each pick, and check out the links in the description. Number 5. The GOROFO USB-C Rechargeable 9-Volt Lithium-Ion Battery 5-Pack is an impressive choice for anyone seeking dependable, long-lasting, and environmentally conscious power. Each battery offers a generous 1,300 mAh capacity, which is significantly higher than the common 650 mAh alternatives. This increased capacity delivers extended usage time, making it ideal for critical devices such as smoke detectors, metal detectors, multimeters, guitar pedals, intercoms, and various professional tools. The standout feature is its ability to fully recharge within 2 hours through a universal USB-C port. This eliminates the need for a special charger and offers convenient flexibility by supporting charging through phone adapters, car outlets, and computers. The included 2-in-1 charging cable further enhances user convenience. Safety is a clear priority with these batteries. They hold UL and CE certifications and include an intelligent charging management chip to prevent overheating and overcharging. The leak-proof and explosion-proof design adds peace of mind, especially for devices that require stable and uninterrupted power. With a life cycle of more than 500 recharges, these batteries offer excellent long-term value by reducing the cost and waste associated with disposable batteries. The kit includes 5 ready-to-use batteries, making it suitable for households with multiple devices. User feedback frequently highlights its reliable performance and fast charging ability, confirming that it lives up to its claims. Overall, the GOROFO Rechargeable Battery Pack is a reliable, efficient, and cost-effective solution for everyday and essential power needs. Number 4. The EBL 9-Volt Rechargeable Nickel Metal Hydride Battery 4-Pack is a practical and dependable power solution for a wide variety of household and professional devices. With a capacity of 280 mAh, these batteries are well suited for smoke alarms, digital cameras, toys, clocks, game controllers, and even selected medical devices. They provide stable performance and deliver consistent power output, making them an excellent replacement for disposable alkaline batteries. One of the notable advantages of this battery set is its compatibility with smart chargers and universal chargers that support nickel metal hydride 9-volt batteries, allowing users to enjoy rapid and efficient charging. Once charged, these batteries can deliver up to 5.5 hours of toy activity, although results will naturally vary depending on the device and operating conditions. The improved low self-discharge design ensures that each battery retains up to 80% of its capacity even after 3 years of storage, which makes them especially useful for emergency devices that are used infrequently. The longevity and reusability of these batteries contribute to both cost savings and environmental responsibility, reducing the dependence on single-use options. Users report that the batteries charge quickly and hold their charge well, confirming their reliability in real-world use. The set includes 4 batteries, making it ideal for multi-device households or for professionals who need several dependable power sources on hand. Overall, the EBL 9-Volt Rechargeable Nickel Metal Hydride Battery Pack offers solid performance, long-term value, and trustworthy energy efficiency. Number 3. The HW 9-Volt Rechargeable Battery 2-Pack offers a reliable, eco-friendly, and cost-effective solution for powering essential devices. Each battery features a 200 mAh capacity, delivering consistent and long-lasting performance for smoke detectors, wireless microphones, multimeters, RC toys, guitar pedals, and a variety of other 9-volt powered devices. The pack includes 2 pre-charged batteries, allowing immediate use without the need for additional preparation, which is particularly convenient for emergency devices such as smoke alarms. These batteries are designed for rapid recharging when paired with a compatible charger, though the charger is not included. Built-in safety protections guard against overcharging, over-discharging, overheating, and short circuits, ensuring both the longevity of the batteries and the safety of connected devices. The advanced low self-discharge technology maintains a usable charge for several months in storage, making them ideal for devices that are not used daily. One of the most significant advantages of this battery pack is its sustainability. Each battery can be recharged up to 1,000 times, which dramatically reduces disposable battery waste while saving money over time. The compact 2-pack size is perfect for home use, travel, or as a backup for professional equipment. Users have noted that the batteries provide extended performance, even for power-intensive devices like metal detectors, and consistently deliver reliable results after multiple recharge cycles. Overall, the HW 9-volt rechargeable battery pack is a dependable, long-lasting, and environmentally conscious choice for anyone seeking high-quality, rechargeable 9-volt batteries. Number 2. The Amazon Basics Rechargeable 9-volt battery 4-pack offers a reliable, long-lasting, and eco-friendly solution for powering everyday devices. Each battery has a capacity of 200 mAh and is composed of nickel metal hydride, ensuring stable performance and consistent energy delivery. This pack is ideal for use in digital cameras, remote controls, toys, smoke alarms, and other 9-volt powered electronics, providing dependable power when it is most needed. A key advantage of these batteries is that they arrive pre-charged and ready to use, eliminating the need for immediate charging. Each battery can be recharged up to 1,000 times with minimal loss of capacity, making them a highly cost-effective and environmentally responsible alternative to disposable batteries. The advanced low self-discharge design allows the batteries to maintain 80% of their capacity for up to 24 months, ensuring they remain ready for use even after extended storage periods. The pack includes 4 batteries, which is convenient for households with multiple devices or for emergency preparedness kits. Users have highlighted their durability and reliability, noting that even after extended use, the batteries continue to hold a strong charge and perform consistently. The easy-to-open packaging and compatibility with standard 9-volt chargers further enhance their convenience. Overall, the Amazon Basics rechargeable 9-volt battery 4-pack provides dependable, long-lasting, and environmentally friendly power, making it an excellent choice for both everyday use and critical emergency devices. Number 1. The HW 9-volt rechargeable lithium battery 4-pack offers a high-capacity, reliable, and eco-friendly power solution for a wide range of devices. Each battery provides 1,400 mAh of energy, delivering significantly longer runtime than standard alkaline or nickel metal hydride batteries. This extended capacity ensures consistent and dependable performance for smoke detectors, fire alarms, remote controls, clocks, toys, cameras, flashlights, medical devices, walkie-talkies, GPS units, and other high-drain or everyday devices. One of the most convenient features of these batteries is the built-in USB-C charging port, which allows users to recharge them quickly and efficiently without the need for a separate charger. The included 4-in-1 USB-C cable adds further convenience, and the LED indicator provides a clear display of charging status. Safety is a priority with multiple built-in protections against overcharging, over-temperature conditions, overload, and short circuits, ensuring both the longevity of the batteries and the safety of connected devices. The HW rechargeable 9-volt batteries are also environmentally responsible, supporting up to 1,600 recharge cycles with minimal power loss. The low self-discharge design maintains consistent voltage output over time, reducing waste and providing long-term cost savings compared to disposable options. Users have praised these batteries for their dependable performance across a variety of devices, from smoke detectors to guitar pedals. Overall, the HW 9-volt rechargeable lithium battery 4-pack combines high capacity, convenience, safety, and sustainability, making it an excellent choice for both home and professional applications. Thank you for watching our countdown of the 5 best 9-volt rechargeable batteries in 2026. Each of these options delivers reliable, long-lasting power for your essential devices, from smoke detectors to cameras and toys. If you found this guide helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more top product recommendations. Check out the links in the description to explore these batteries further.